Hey guys, before we get into this video, I'd like to thank Influenster and E.l.f Cosmetics for this complimentary box as well as concealers for a testing and review. They gave me two shades. They gave me medium beige and medium sand, which I'm going to use the medium sand for basing my eyeshadow, and then I'm going to use the medium beige for under eye, you know, the usual highlight portion. So without further ado, let's hop into this video, y'all. So the foundation that I'm pairing this concealer with is the Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation in color 320 Honey. And that also was a complimentary product that I got from Influenster. So shout out again to Influenster. If any of you ladies would like to join Influenster, you can join from my link in my description down below. So this is a sunrise sunset look in collaboration with Dolly Roman. You guys can go over to her channel, which a link will be down below, as well as the other beautiful women that were in this collaboration. We decided to do a sunset, sunrise kind of a look. So I hope you guys get into this. Comment down below. Let us know how you feel about it. Let each channel know that you came from whomever's channel. Subscribe, and let's get it on the road to 1K.